Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, children of all ages, welcome to the Luna Brothers Circus live show. I may be announcing your act, and as soon as I finish announcing your act, I run over to the concession stand to sell popcorn until the next act comes out. Everybody has to do more than one thing or it doesn't work.
I remember you were a really good ringmaster. Like, do you think like people could be a really good ringmaster with a terrible voice?
Every ringmaster is their own individual, and they're all going to do things their own way. The main thing is you have to learn to make yourself understood to the audience.
So,
I know good and well I've seen people in the audience, you announce something and they say, "What did he say?"
you ever get nervous when you're talking in front of the audience? Do you have any advice for people that might be...
If you're a normal person, you go to school and you take a speech class, which gets you used to speaking in front of an audience. It sounds stupid, but every little bit helps. In my case, I talk to everybody, so it doesn't make any difference.
Well, it's like talking to in front of anybody.
Yeah, I mean, I don't care if you got two people. Well, I do, because if you got two people in the audience, you're not going to do the show. 50 people in the audience or 500 people in the audience, it doesn't make any difference. They're just people. You go out there, you do your job the best you can. You try and make yourself understood to 90%, because you're always going to have the 10% that says, "What did he say?" You just do the best you can do. It doesn't matter what your voice is. I mean, you can talk like Mickey Mouse and be a good ringmaster.
That's true.
Because you can go out there and go, "Ladies and gentlemen." People will pay attention because they're not expecting you to sound that way.
That's true. The unique voice is also good too.
Right.
It's
So
good.
it doesn't make any difference. If you want to do the job and do it well, just get comfortable at doing it. You can do it in your own voice. You can do it in a made-up voice. You can do it any way you want, as long as you do it consistently. Because if you come, hopefully you'll come and see a Luna Brothers Circus performance when we ever get it through with this pandemic, or whatever it is, and see the show, and the ringmaster sounds like this as compared to sounding like this. Between years, you're going to think something's going on, okay? So you have to do whatever you're going to do consistently. But it just all comes with practice and what you get comfortable with.
So, like, how were you able to memorize the acts?
I had a card, and I would look at the card. And after you've gone through the acts so many times, it just clicks. Like today, okay? I can go, "Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, children of all ages, welcome to the 2020 edition of Luna Brothers Circus. At this time, Luna Brothers would like to present to you the amazing juggler, Mr. Joseph Mira." Okay. After that was the lira. After that was a clown act. After that was something else. But it's just, you just get to where you remember it, and you can do it all the time. Like, "If I can bring your attention to the center ring, please give a warm welcome for Gunther Goebel and his performing cats." You know.
Oh, wow.
You just learn what the acts are, and you make it up as you go. You don't have to say the same thing every day. If I were going to do that, I would say it to the big steel cage in the middle of the center ring. But you just make it up as you go. Every show's different.
I had to announce myself.
Yeah, and you're sitting backstage going, "And now..."
But you weren't even there, and it feels like you were there.
Oh yeah, well, I know what it looks like.
It was horrible. Nobody understood a word I said. It's just nobody was able to announce, and it was just me backstage. Like, and
Yeah.
the stage.
And I didn't realize it picked up as well as it did. Your mom came running out and said, "Turn that microphone." But that's how I became a ringmaster.
Wow, that's scary.
Ladies and gentlemen, and it went all through the tent.
Oh my god.
Stupid cat poop for sale.
How do you start to become a good ringmaster?
Your dad and uncle, the first show we did,